Hi everyone, welcome to WP Solutions. Today I'm gonna show you how you can add a free slider on your WordPress website using a free plugin. So before starting the video, just subscribe my channel and like this video so I can create more videos for you. So let's start. First go to plugins, click on add new. After that just search smart slider. You can check the active installations for this plugin and the ratings. So this is one of the famous slider plugin in WordPress. Click on install now. In this plugin you can create a full custom design for your slider, or you can use the available templates also. So both are available in free variant of this plugin. You can also purchase the pro variant for more features, but we don't need the pro variant for a basic nice slider for our WordPress website. Now our plugin is installed. I will activate the plugin. Now just scroll down and click on smart slider. Go to dashboard. Just scroll down, click on go to dashboard again. Now you just have to click on new project, then it will create a new slider for your WordPress website. You can create multiple sliders in this plugin and use the shortcode of the slider plugins to display them on your WordPress website on different sections. Now just click on new project. Here you will see two options. If you want to use the templates, you can choose this option. If you want to create a new project, you can choose this option. I will show you how you can create a custom slider. First, I will use the template. Click on start with a template. It will show you all the templates available in free variant. You can use any template that you like. So I will go with this one. Just click on import. It will import all the slides with the images and text that you can change later on your WordPress plugin dashboard. Now as you can see, our slider is imported successfully. Now we can edit 3 slides. If you want to add the 4th slide, you can click on this one. Now I will edit the slide to add our content on the slide. If you want to change the background, you can change the background by removing this one, or you can add directly a new one by clicking on this plus icon. It will show you upload files. You can choose the file from your system. If you want to select from your media library, you can click on this one. So in this way you can change the background image. If you want to change the text, you have to select the text like this, and you can remove the text from the text box. If you want to change the typography, if you want to change the font family, size, color, you can change from this style option. So if you want to change description and style, you can select the description. If you want to change the background, you can select the whole layer. Then you will see a background color option here. You can change the color. In this way you can edit the template slides. Now I will show you how you can create a custom slider. Click on new project. Click on create a new project. You will see slider and simple slider here. Because we don't have pro variant, these both are available in pro variant, but we don't need these two. I will create, and then we will create a custom slider. I will show you the basics, then you can create the slider according to your design. Now click on add slide. If you want to create a slide with image, you can select this one. If you want to create a blank, or it means if you want to add the text, background image, or image, if you want to add multiple things on your slide, you can go with this option. If you want to include the post on your slide, you can go with this one. Now I will select the blank one. Then I will show you how you can add the background image, text. Now our slide is added. Now I will edit this one. You can add more slides like this. Now if you want to add the background image for the whole slide, you can select this option. If you want to add the color, you can change the color here. You can select the image by clicking on this plus icon. It will allow you to upload from your system or choose from library. So in this way you can add the background image. If you want to add text description button, then you have to first select this row like this, delete one column, then just drag the heading, drag description and drag the button like this. So in this way you can add heading, description, button. You can select the heading, change the style for the heading, align the heading left, change the color, font family, everything you can change here. Same like with this description, you can change the width by dragging this option like this. For the whole row you can drag it like this. Now just align it left like this. You can also select the description like this, change the color, font family, everything. You can add the background image by clicking on this empty area, then just select the background image from the media library or upload from your system. So in this way you can create a custom slide and proceed with your slider. So you can select any image. For now I will just select this one. Like this you can add a background image. So this is the way how you can create a custom slider for your WordPress website. Now I will show you how you can paste the shortcode on the front end. First you have to select the slider like this, click on edit. It will show you the shortcode. Just copy the shortcode. If you are using Elementor or any other page builder, you will see the smart slider option in the page builder toolbar. If you are not using the any page builder and you are using the WordPress editor, you can simply paste this shortcode in the block. Now I will edit this page with Elementor and I will edit this with WordPress page builder. So both the pages are loading. Now just click on this plus icon. Smart slider is also available in WordPress editor. You can directly select this one, click on it. Now the slider is added. You just have to select the slider. Because we have created two sliders, we have to select the one. Click on select button. It will show you the sliders. I will select this one, insert. Now in Elementor you can search smart slider. If you don't have this option in your page builder, you can simply paste the shortcode which we copied from the slider dashboard. Just select the slider and update. If you want to remove this extra space, just select the column, go to advanced and remove the padding like this. Click on update. So both sliders are added successfully. So in this way you can create a nice simple slider on your WordPress website. So just subscribe my channel and like my videos so I can create more videos for you. So thanks for watching my video. I will show you the slider. As you can see, our slider is ready like this. You can change the transitions in dashboard also. The option is available. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching my video.